Jamie, you ever hear of a padlock with a fingerprint entry keyway thing before?
That's strange. I ain't never heard of that.
Our deadbolt on our back door, it's all busted up, so I got this from Veise. You can find them on Amazon or the TikTok shop. Let's go through install. Check it out. Found out where my last one broke. It was jammed up. Look at that. Cracked down the center and popped out this way. I had to hammer it out. That was a pain. All right, got it all installed. This room's under construction. Don't judge me. Took all of about 5 minutes to install it. I was going to do an installation video for you guys, but they have a QR code on their paperwork with a great video. So if you get one, just scan that. So 5-minute install. What I'm interested in is the fingerprint. So we're going to hit that, master code, then that, and follow the instructions. When you're leaving, to lock it, just hold any button and it'll automatically lock. Boom, locked. Unlock. Perfect. Got my new master code in, my own personal one. Set up my fingerprint. So we're gonna lock the door by holding this button. You hear it actuate. It's locked. It gives you a red light to let you know it's locked. Unlock, fingerprint. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Took me longer to read the instructions and set up on all the papers than it did to install it or program it. Super simple. Looks pretty classy, even though this isn't a classy place. This is a storage room to my garage, but perfect. Need a new deadbolt? Got one. I didn't even use their stop plate because, you know, I already had one on there. Of course, it comes with keys in case the batteries die or anything. You can also program individual user codes for each individual person. Vacation mode, add a one-time code in case you want somebody to enter just once. Set auto lock time. There's your add user code. Deleting fingerprints. Fancy. Very fancy. If you have a door that hasn't been drilled out for a deadlock yet, it gives you measurements. Here's the QR code that comes with the instructions, and I highly recommend you just scan that and watch the video. Here's all your instructions here. It was very simple. A lot easier than I thought it'd be. To be honest, the only two drawbacks I see is it's not as solid as some deadbolts could be, and you had to supply yourself with 4 AA batteries. Besides that, I love it.